Hey everybody, it's Rick with Tropicals in Arizona, and I just got to share with you this beautiful Pink Princess that I found. And it is a stunner. But as you can see, she's a little bit too large and she's hanging out everywhere. But she's got some nice variegation of pink going on here on some of these leaves. Very nice. But I just wanted to show you, this is what I bought for $16.99, and it's quite large, wouldn't you agree? But this is what I bought for $15.99. And it didn't look like this. I just recently added this moss pole. So $15.99 or $16.99. What would you pick? Well, I picked this $16.99 for sure. So today, what we're gonna do is I'm going to repot this plant. I'm going to give it some different soil, and then I'm going to give it a moss pole, and we're going to hope to see that it continues to keep growing, because it's a beautiful plant, but it deserves a moss pole. So that's what we're going to do next. You know, a lot of times when I shoot these videos, I don't do a lot of talking. I'm not one to talk too much. Mostly because I'm afraid I'm going to say the wrong things. But I'm sure you guys understand making videos is not an easy thing. So I apologize if sometimes I don't say the right things. But as we look at this, the roots here, everything seems to be okay. They seem to be healthy. Soil is just a little bit wet, but we're gonna change that out. We're gonna give it some new soil. Gonna give it some fertilizer, moss pole. I'm gonna trim it up, clean up the leaves, and then we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards. Again, I bought this at such a good price, $16.99 at a local nursery here in town, and really one of my favorite nurseries actually. They have three of them in the valley, and it's Whitfield Nurseries. I got this one in Phoenix, and they had some nice plants there. So I recommend anybody from the valley, if you want to go look at some nice plants and pick up a couple nice plants. Sometimes you can find really good deals at these nurseries. I think this plant, well, you would probably never find something this large at one of the big box stores. But for $16.99, it's really a good deal. So, all right. How's that look to you? Looks pretty good to me. You even see some of the roots are pink, which is quite nice. Now, it looks like if I wanted to, I could cut this plant in two. I can make two plants out of one, but I really don't want to do that right now. I just want to see if I could get this one to grow. So that's what we're going to do. So hopefully I can teach you guys something here. A mistake I just made. If you can see, I went ahead and installed this moss pole. Plan is backwards, so I have to redo this. So this is a mistake of a rookie. And well, sometimes as much as I love plants and as many plants that I have, I am still just a rookie. So we're gonna redo this and start over again.
Not bad. Follow along and subscribe as the story grows. I'll see you soon.